We provide products for our customers in the labels. So when they're need to ship something to a customer of theirs, provide something to one of their clients that need to be labeled, we're the person that's got those labels in the printer for them.
Heartland Business Systems has been working with our sister company, Heartland Label, to deploy private cellular in their manufacturing and warehouse facility. Heartland Label had a lot of different challenges in their environment from a coverage standpoint.
Go to our warehouse, and depending on how full the shelves are can make a difference in how connected we are out there. Just putting pallets of labels kind of creates a wall, and that Wi-Fi can't see around that.
It was very hard for them to maintain connectivity with their handhelds using the existing Wi-Fi solution.
So the scanners that we have in our plants, they're the backbone of the organization. They are the link between all of our business systems. When a scanner goes down for 2 or 3 minutes, it doesn't seem like a lot, but in those period of 2 or 3 minutes, we can make hundreds of labels. So you can lose tens of thousands, millions of labels over the course of a year just by a couple of 2 or 3 minute increments that happen over the course of a normal shift.
Heartland Label Printers is a perfect use case for private cellular. It's a complex environment, a lot of moving parts. There's a heavy paper in there as well. And they really rely on their Zebra scanners for connectivity and for the day-to-day operations. And this really addresses their needs.
So we worked with them to determine the infrastructure requirements, the cabling requirements, the layout of the private cellular network, and are working through the deployment process with them so they can optimize the operations in their environment.
It's critical for our team to have the confidence in our tools, processes, and team members in our operations group for us to sell what our promise is to the marketplace. So if we're going to sell on quality and service, we need to have the ability to back that up.
We're trying to help Heartland Label collect the data they need so they can provide us real-time metrics back to the team about different operations that are happening in the environment. Our products are in high demand, and they're just looking for ways to get product through the manufacturing process and to the customer as efficiently as possible.
Private cellular as a technology is emerging, but it has to be integrated back into a client's existing network and in their environment, their application. We highly value Heartland's ability to be able to do that because we understand that they know networking, security, application development, etc., and they can bring that to bear when integrating private cellular into their clients' networks.
Working with HBS, has been great because they understand our business and they see some of that frustration as well. So they've been great to be able to come in, easily identify where we can implement this private cellular network that will allow us to, take the business to the next level out there with some of our initiatives.
We're looking at digital options for a number of systems beyond this. So this is just one piece to the broader transformation of our organization.